What's up guys, in this video I want to show you a strategy that you can use in your futures trading exchanges, that is Binance, Bybit and others. I'll leave a link down in the description below. In this, change this to an hour. First of all, this is TradingView. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to do your analysis with TradingView. It's the best platform to do your analysis. Change your candles to Heikin-Ashi candles, because they predict they show price movement well than other candles. Then come here and select, go to the indicators and search for the EMA. Click on it twice so that it can bring two EMAs, and then search for stochastic RSI, then click it. Now what we have to do after clicking, we have to adjust our indicators. This is the EMA, change the length to 200 and the method to EMA, both the length, change them to 200. Then come here to style, and then we have to adjust the colors, adjust the thickness so that it can be seen, the 200, and put a bright color. That's it. Go to the second EMA and adjust, change the color to red first, and then adjust it a little bit for it to be seen. Change the length to 50 and the method to EMA and the other length to 50, and then click OK. After clicking OK, I don't think there is anything else. Click OK, and then come here to the stochastic RSI. You need to change a couple of things. The K line, change it, let it be a little thick so that it can be seen properly on the chart, and the D line also change it to be a little thicker. And then the upper band, change it to white first of all, change it to white, and the lower band, change it to white. Then uncheck the background box. You can uncheck it if you want, if you're comfortable with unchecking it, and then press OK. Here is how our chart will look like, and with the stochastic we'll be looking at overbought and oversold regions. And the 50 EMA, when it crosses the 200 exponential moving average, we know that the price is going on an uptrend or a downtrend position. That the EMA acts as a resistance and a support. Here, this is the Heikin-Ashi candles. You look at the ones without wicks below. If you are going on an uptrend position, take your profit at 3% and your stop losses at 1.5% with this strategy, guys. And here I was confident to take that position because the price at the stochastic was oversold, and the candlestick that opened, it broke through the EMA 200 with a larger body. As you can see here, the stochastic was oversold and the blue line crossed the orange line. The blue line must cross the orange line before entering a trade, and you wait for the confirmation with the Heikin-Ashi candles before taking it. Here is another one. The blue line crossed the orange line, and I was confident to go on a short position because, as you can see here, guys, the Heikin-Ashi candle was long without wicks on top, so I was confident to take a short position. So you take a short position, 1.5 stop loss, and I take profit of 3% with this strategy, guys. Always confirm with the stochastic RSI. And as you can see here, the EMA 50 was acting as a resistance level 2. The EMA 50 help you, it directs you on when to take your trades and the confident position to go into the market. Remember that the market are very volatile and you can get liquidated if you're not using a good strategy. Here you have to use a good strategy. Here I saw another position, and here I'll go because the Heikin-Ashi candle was long and the stochastic was overbought. So I go on a short position, stop loss 1.5 and take profit at 3%. that is good. Always confirm with the stochastic first before entering into any trade. With this trade, you have to identify at least 4 trades a day, 3 to 4 trades a day, so that you by the time the month ends, you will be done with at least 100 trades, so that you can make a good profit. Here you can see I saw a large candlestick, a large Hikinashi candle with a longer body, and the stochastic was oversold, so I was confident to take the position. I was confident enough to take the position, as you can see. Now here, guys, as you can see, there was another. Here I did not see a good time to enter the markets, but here, guys, as you can see, there was another. The stochastic was overbought, so I had to take a short position, and the candlestick was long, and the EMA was acting as a resistance level. As you can see, the price failed to move beyond. It failed to break through the EMA 200, and I was confident enough to take the position. You have to identify some of these in the trading view. Play around with the trading view and look for trades like this. And you can also use other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano. Don't use a lot of them because you'll not get in touch on how they work, so use at least like 4 or 5. Here I was able to take a long position. The stochastic was oversold, and there was a long Hikinashi candle without wicks below, so I take it like 3% and 1.5% stop loss. And that's how to analyze with this strategy, guys. It's a good strategy when you use it. Now let me show you how much you can make through by using this strategy in a month. You have to take at least 100 trades in a month, and your starting balance should be, let's use $100 and run the strategy so that we can see how much money we can make. So let me show you guys now. Here you can see we use a starting balance of 100, and at our take profit, let's put it at 3% and stop loss at 1.5%. Starting balance, as I said, 100, a leverage of 20x, and number of trades should be 100. I use the Bybit. So as you can see here, guys, you can make up to $81,989 in a month with a 60% win rate, 100 trades, 60 wins, and 40 losses. That's how much you can make, and here will be your fees, the fees that will be paid on your exchange. Thank you guys for watching this video. Apply the strategy in your trading view, and don't forget to subscribe.